All right, guys. So if you're here, you're having the same issue I was having. I got a 2015 Freightliner Cascadia. My coolant tank, that's the new one. The coolant tank ruptured on the side, so we got to replace mine. So these bolts on the top of the radiator are commonly known to seize to the insert that goes in that hole. I cut the tabs off the tank and took the tank out and get that out of the way, since I know I was going to have to replace it anyways. And then I'd cut the tabs out from underneath the bolts with a Dremel. So then you have a little space underneath to get a pry bar underneath. So what I did, I took one of these crowfoot and I just put it underneath and pry up on it like this. Don't pry it down because you'll put more pressure on this plastic piece and it'll transfer to the radiator. So I found that I was just putting this underneath and just barely go all the way around it and just barely pull up on it, and you'll see it start to rock back and forth, and that's all you need to get that wallered out. I did the same thing on that one over there. And I gotta tell you, when the first one popped out, I was excited because I did not think I was gonna be able to get this done. But they're out, and this is what we're looking at. It's just like a hose barb, you know, radiator hose or whatever, where this piece is, it's easy to get on or in, but it's extremely difficult to get back off or out of that hole. So that's how I did that. And there's your bore hole. There's nothing special about them. That one's kind of dirty. I'm gonna have to clean that out, but I'm gonna try to get these in the vise, spray some penetrating oil, and try to get this off of the bolt and reuse them, because this hole is like a perfect size. So if I can get that insert loose and then get it back, pounded back into that hole, I can reuse this stock bolt. I went and bought some other stuff, but it definitely won't be as good as this. So I'll probably put some JB Weld down in there, just a tad, just to get grip on this, because I know I was spinning it with a drill, so I know it's not going to grip like it did when it was pressed in there. So it looks like the barbs are still good though. Yeah, I'm going to give that a shot. So next up is on the vise.